Hello everyone, welcome to Neurosapiens.
In today's tutorial, we'll look at an introduction into what is Pandas library in Python. So in Python programming, the library Pandas is a fast, powerful, and flexible software written for data manipulation and analysis. It is a free software released under the 3 clause BSD license. And the original author for this library is actually Wes McKinney. So the name Pandas is derived from the term panel data. So this is an introduction into what is Pandas library.
If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe and click the notification bell for weekly videos. Please share the video with anyone who you think would benefit from the content and comment below what topics you would like to learn. If you would like to support this channel and have the means to do so, the best way will be via my Patreon link in the description below. Happy learning and I'll see you in the next tutorial.